How to use Google Merchants. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Google Merchants and how you can get started with it. Having said that, let's jump into it. So first of all, let me just tell you that Google Merchant is basically for merchants or for companies or sellers who have a very large business and they already have their things running. So you have to have a big business for you to start using this app, but we're just going to go over it and let you know how it works. So first off, you're going to go ahead and click on Get Started. And once you do that, it'll take you over to this part of the website where we can go ahead and get started. Over here, as you can see, email address, we can add more details about us to connect with customers and stuff like that. Over here, we have to enter in our business name, so it can be anything. Just entering your business name now. Over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. Let's go ahead and create a business with this name. Click on next, and over here, it basically asks you to choose how your business server is. So your business is a restaurant, a bar, or a cafe. Customers can purchase products on your website. Customers can visit your business in person. Your business makes visits to customers. Alright. So we can go ahead and choose whichever one. If you want it all, it depends on you, but I'm going to choose the second one over here. I'm going to click on it and click on next. Then over here, you have to add in your website. Click on next, and then you have to enter in the country where your business is registered. Click on next. Stay in the know. Want to update recommendations from Google? You can go ahead and skip this if you want. I'm going to click on no and click on next, and then I'm going to click on agree to the terms and services. Click on next, and you're good to go now. Let's go ahead and finish up the remaining steps. Click on next, and here we go. So over here, you get with the free listings as well, you get your performance, you get your growth and stuff like that. It all depends on you. You can go ahead and use this if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and skip this for now. I'm going to click on later. So over here, this is how it looks like. This is your dashboard and stuff. Over here, you have a bunch of different options. Click on three bars. You get only these three options. First, we are over here at the Google Merchant Center overview. This is how it looks like. We have our settings, tools over here. We have our messages over here and our help and notifications. So first things first, we have to get started with the free listings. Let's go ahead and get started with it, or we can explore some options as well. Go to the account issues and let's go ahead and do it because we have 3 issues remaining that cause the product not to show up. So let's go ahead and deal with that one as well. So over here, website has not been claimed. We have to add in one more contact information. We have to add in more contact information, add in a phone number, an ads link over here. That's going to help us, but first things first, what we're going to do is go into the product section, and here we're going to add different products into the merchant center. Simply click on add products and it will open up the website where you just simply have to get started. So over here, country of sale, language, and all the other stuff. So country sales is United States, language is going to be English, destination, free listing, your website. We have to verify that first, then we can move on. Then we have the product identifiers. Basically, if they have like a GTIN, UPC, chat, IBSBN number, basically a product identifier. This is basically a product identifier. This is the basic version. If you click on advanced, we get a little more options over here. And then you have the product data. Basically, you have the ID, the SKU, title, brand description, landing page, image link, and stuff like that. And then we have to enter in the price, the availability, and all of the good stuff. So let's go ahead and do this and do this. So first, we don't have to do this. I can't do this for now, so we'll just leave that for now. And the GTIN numbers, all right, so it can be anything. Over here, if I open this up, this is a sheet. Well, it's technically not a sheet. It was supposed to be a sheet, but it opened up like this. Like it was Google's own sheet. It was supposed to tell me how it looks like. So it basically generates a number, a sheet where we have categories. We have the designated categories where it is used, and the appliances and stuff like that. It's over here, but it got messed up. So I'm just going to show you this for a reference. I'm in the help center. If I search for ID, or since we're trying to find the SKU number, should be over the GTI, and here we go. So if I click over here, this is what it should look like. This is the format. This is going to be this. Alright, the XML file is going to be this one. GTI number. It's basically going to be a group of numbers ranging between 8, 12, 13, or 14, depending on the country you live in. It can be UPC, A, N, J, A, N, ISBN, and it all depends on where your business resides. This is what it looks like. You gotta add that, copy this for now, and add this over here. Once you've done that, we'll just go over here, the ID or the SKU. I'm just going to add that here, add the title. We'll just say like fountain pen or something like that. It all depends on you. It can be anything. I'm just giving you an example, and it can be brand. Let's just say fountain is a brand. In the description, keep it short, not too long and not too hectic. I'm just gonna write, this is a nice pen. I'm not gonna be a good salesman, I assure you. Then you need to add the link to your landing page so that people can go over there and view it. You have to enter in the image link. So this is what I was talking about. This is what it would look like if it were a sheet. Everything will be categorized over there, but since it is not, that's why it's asking us these questions, and let's just go ahead and do that. Let me just search for a pen over here and just go to images and just choose any pen I want. These are all products. Here we go. Let's just go ahead and copy the image address, and let's go ahead and paste it over here. Once we've done that, let's add in a price. Let's just say 10, which is pretty expensive for a pen. Then the detail of the product, the condition is going to be new. Add anything you want, refurbished or used. It depends upon what you're selling. So for now, let's say it's used. I have an apparel and variant products. You can turn it on to have a more detailed version of your product. It can be of different color, different texture, and stuff like that. But for now, I'm going to leave it off. The condition is going to be new, and once you've done that, we'll just click on save and we're good to go. But as you can see, we have to add a landing page link here, so just copy this link. Maybe it'll work. For the example, save. There we go. So this image is missing value. It's missing its and mismatched domain. All right. Add in my domain as well, which I don't have. So I'll just write anything over here. .com/booksite. This was my original website, and then I'll just simply download the image and just upload it myself. Click on browse and just select the image. Click on open and wait for it to upload. It's processing, and once it's done, we can go ahead and move on now. Okay, here we go. Let's see if everything works all right. So, unclaimed website, missing value for the shipping, which value is missing? I don't understand missing value tags. Where is it? But you get the point, right? Once you've done this, just simply click on save and your product will be saved and you can move on. So let's go ahead and set up your shipping and set up our taxes for now. So this is the shipping one. So we'll just say country is the United States, USD, click on next. We'll go with that one. Select your shipping method over here. How do you want to determine delivery times or the service? Set a range delivery date or show customs. And after that, you should be able to go, but you gotta link your sales and orders account over here as well. So it all depends on you, and once you've done that, just simply click on next and you're good to go. You arrive on shipping costs, which you will have to pay. Add in your credit cards and debit card or whatever payment method you will use to pay your taxes. Then over here, you have to set up your taxes. Turn on all of these if you want it all on. Depends on you. Once you're done, just simply click on save and your settings will be saved. If you come over here, it's gone. Make sure you have a website and make sure you have your shipping method set up. Once these two things are done, set up, you're good to go and your product is ready to be sold on the Google Merchant here. So let's just assume that we've done that. And let's go back to the Merchant Center. And once we do that, this is how it looks. Our products are going to be over here. Their diagnostics are going to be over here. And then the performance is going to be over here. Basically, the sales report, the rejects, the clicks, the impressions, and stuff like that. Everything is going to be here, and you will see now, and you will see how it is working. As I said, you have to link your Google Ads account over here so that you can promote your business, your products, and get more sales. Everything is very simple. You don't need to have a good knowledge about the software. Follow along, answer these questions, set it up however you want, and then you're good to go. So these were the things you needed to know about the Google Merchant and how you can set up your account. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.